Hello, friends. Welcome to our exciting learning adventure. I'm Pinky Bear, and today we're going to discover some fantastic shapes together.
Hi there, kids! I'm Bunny, and I'm so thrilled to join you. Did you know shapes are all around us? In toys, in nature, even in yummy treats.
That's right, Bunny. We'll explore each shape, learn what makes it special, and find fun examples. Are you ready, kids?
Oh, and I'll try to guess some examples too, but you might need to help me. Let's get started.
Circle. A circle is perfectly round and has no corners at all. Some examples of circles are a yummy donut or the bright sun. Bunny, can you guess more?
Circle. A clock, a wheel, a coin, a bubble, a
Great
pizza
job,
base.
Bunny. Those are all correct. See, kids, circles are everywhere. Square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. It's like a box or a picture frame. Bunny, what do you think?
Square. Ooh, a window, a checkerboard, a gift box.
Perfect. Squares are so useful, aren't they? Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you think of anything shaped like a triangle, Bunny?
Triangle. A slice of pizza, a road sign, a party hat.
That's right, Bunny. Triangles make everything so interesting. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides too, but 2 sides are longer. Think of things like books or doors. Bunny?
Rectangle. Easy. A table, a phone, a chocolate bar.
Exactly, Bunny. Rectangles are everywhere we look. Let's twinkle like a star. A star has 5 points and shines brightly, just like the ones in the night sky. Bunny, can you think of something shaped like a star?
Star? A starfish in the ocean. Oh, and those shiny stars we hang on the Christmas tree.
Wonderful, Bunny. A starfish and shiny decorations are great examples. Kids, can you think of more sparkling star shapes? Next, let's talk about a heart. It's round at the top and comes to a point at the bottom. Hearts are a symbol of love and kindness. Bunny, do you have any ideas?
Heart? Yes! A Valentine's card is shaped like a heart. And sometimes cookies are heart-shaped too.
Yes. Great thinking, Bunny. A heart-shaped cookie and Valentine's card are perfect examples. Kids, do you know something else shaped like a heart? Finally, let's stretch out a circle to make an oval. An oval looks like a stretched egg shape. Bunny, can you spot anything that's oval-shaped?
Oval? An egg, of course! And maybe a rugby ball or a mirror.
Excellent examples, Bunny. An egg, a rugby ball, and even some mirrors can be oval-shaped. Kids, look around and see if you can find more ovals in your home. Wow, what a fantastic journey! We learned so many shapes today and found so many examples together.
You all did an amazing job helping us. Shapes are so much fun when you start to notice them everywhere.
That's true. Keep looking for shapes all around you, at home, in school, or even outdoors. And remember,
learning is always an adventure, and it's even better when we do it together.
Thank you for learning with us, kids. Don't forget to come back for more fun. Until next time, keep being curious and creative.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.